In this video, we will go over some hard Punjabi words. Crucial, mahatavpuran, accuracy, shuddhta, correspond, sambandhit, transport, avajai, passenger, savari, transparent, pardarshi, blemish, dog, discipline, anushasan, tolerate, chalana, coward, darpok, message, sneha or sandesh, burden, boj, evidence, sabut, rigid, kathor, imitate, nakal, shadow, parchama, churner, madani, jam, murabba, mustard, rai, marble, sangmarmar, pulp, gudda, axe, kuhadi, bark, chillard, pollen, full da boor, mushroom, kumbh, citron, galgal, flax, sun, jasmine flower, chameli, olive, zatoon, school, vidyala, palm, hatheli, kidney, gurda, vein, nas, funnel, gip, screw, beach, cauldron, kadahi, soap case, sabarndani, sack, bora, sieve, chandni, candle, mombatti, doormat, paidan, flower vase, fooldan, fuel, ballan,